Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Today's video is going to be about the combine tool versus what I always use as a smart fill tool. If you select that we have two objects, a small ellipse and a large ellipse, we're going to make the large ellipse green, and we're going to make, let me just move it out of the way for a second. We'll make the other one yellow. I'm going to go ahead and hit P. I'm going to go ahead and reverse the order so we can see it. Normally what I would do is just fill in the circle. But if you will select them all and go right here to combine or go to object and combine, it gives you one item, a curve on one layer. So let me go over that, what I would normally do with I think my way is a little bit better. Take the smart fill tool and let's just fill it in with black. Now you have that ring that's just a curve on one layer. But this could be very helpful if I click on the little one and make it blue, and click on the big one and make it red. And you don't have to, but well, you might have to put it to the back of the page. You can combine it, and then it makes that one item. Might come in handy at some point. I'm going to right click no outline so it's just a red circle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.